Hi guys, I'm going to start this video by giving you a quick review of how my race went. What did I do before it? What did I do after? To begin with, I'll have to go to the very beginning, of course. Not that beginning, but maybe like one day before the race. So, what did I do one day before the race to prepare myself? ये मेरे लिए specifically race नहीं थी, so I didn't have to taper for it or anything like that. Saturday को मैंने एक easy workout किया instead of a long run. I did a very easy workout of 8 kilometers or so. Kept it very easy. Even walk run थोड़ा सा किया, mixture of all of that. Easy runs का main point क्या होता है is time on feet. But no matter what your pace is, it doesn't matter. आप चाहे अपनी इजी रन में वॉक रन भी करो, इट्स ओके. इनफैक्ट आई प्रेफर कि मैं थोड़ा सा वॉक करूँ अपनी इजी रन्स में. आई हैव द बेनिफिट टू डू इट, देन व्हाई नॉट. वेरी कन्वीनियंटली आई हैव मिस्ड टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द टॉपिक्स कि मैं अपने वर्कआउट से पहले क्या खाती हूँ. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स एंड आई मैनेज टू मिस दैट आउट. तो आई प्रेफर टू वेक अप 1 घंटे पहले, बिकॉज it takes time for the body to wake up. सुबह उठते I prefer to eat something very simple, banana या फिर एक toast with some jam. Nothing too complex, something easy, because वैसे ही मैं आधी नींद में होती हूँ, so I don't want to think too much about it. It's very important to eat before your speed session especially. You need that energy. I perform a lot more better. ऐसे बहुत कम होता है कि I might not eat. Like अगर if I'm running a 6 kilometer easy, only then. स्पीड सेशंस, लॉन्ग रन्स शुरू करने से पहले आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि मैं 1 घंटे पहले उठूँ. मे बी अराउंड 40 minutes ish before I eat something. Saturday also I had a banana before. This is me one night before preparing for the event. Okay, let's talk pacing. कल का event is a 10 kilometer event for me and मेरे कोच ने मुझे specific instructions दिए हैं to not aim for a PB, not race it. Oh, cute. Instead, मैं कल के इवेंट में अपना हाफ मैराथन वर्कआउट करूंगी, which is that for the entire 10 kilometers मुझे अपनी हाफ मैराथन पेस पे रहना है. Around the pace of 5 I have to stay. I've collected my bib, my hair is ready, my watch is charged. Outfit. Not feeling too great right now, so I have kept 2 sets of outfits. One is this black pair of shorts, black pair of Nike shorts, and this white aguante tank top. It's a little dirty, but yeah, it's white aguante tank top, because you can never go wrong with black and white. This is in case I feel good, in case I'm not feeling too much in my element. So I'll probably wear these aguante shorts. I wear these for every Tuesday speed session, along with this black tank top. So yeah, I'll be running in my Pro Force tomorrow. See you tomorrow. कितने बजे निकले थे? आई थिंक अराउंड 4:40 आई थिंक हम निकले थे. एंड आफ्टर अ लाइट वार्म अप एंड सम ABC ड्रिल्स, अगेन इस रेस से पहले ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर स्पीड सेशन आई प्रिपेयर्ड अ टोस्ट विद जैम. योर स्टमक इज ऑल्सो अ मसल. You have to train your digest food and use that energy quickly. I think I went into this race feeling very relaxed. First 5-ish kilometers, पूरा route was uphill. So I tried to maintain a conservative pace. Around 5 की pace पे I was running जाते वक्त, but because it was like a out and back route, जितना ही incline था उतना ही descent भी था. मुझे बिल्कुल भी push करने की ज़रूरत नहीं लगी and I just, उसके बाद I stopped looking at my pace. I was so off pace. I think मैं 440, 446 पे भाग रही थी. Because मैंने अभी तक off season में no matter what the weather was, I think I just pushed through every workout. I felt quite strong. मुझे problem नहीं हुई weather से उतना. If you follow me on Instagram, I've shared the photos. This is what I looked like on my 8th kilometer. After that came a flyover. अब यूजुअली बिफोर अ फ्लाईओवर आई ट्राई टू slow down a little bit, maybe 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. But इस बार I didn't feel like I had to. In fact, I think that was my fastest kilometer, and this is how I was after my race. Finished my race with a PB of 20 seconds. This was not planned, but well, I think it's still a good kickoff to the season. Sunday को after the race, I went for a strength session. Still trying to figure out कि मैं कौन से angles से shoot कर सकती हूँ.
Did you get your tickets? To what? The gun show?
पहले भी मेंशन किया है कि आई हैव ओनली बीन रनिंग फॉर अ ईयर. इन दिस 1 year मैंने जिस भी रेस में पार्टिसिपेट किया है आई हैव समहाउ मैनेज्ड टू गेट अ PR और अ PB. PB should not always be your aim because now even though I'm happy with the PB, I ask myself कि अगर मुझे नेक्स्ट रेस में एक पर्सनल बेस्ट नहीं मिला या फिर अगर मैंने अपने पर्सनल बेस्ट से थोड़ा स्लो परफॉर्म किया, आई डोंट नो हाउ दैट विल हिट माई मोरल. यू हैव टू सेट योर सेल्फ अप फॉर दीज रेसेस. तो yeah, I by chance got a PB and I'm happy with it, but let's not forget कि I need to learn to control myself in situations like this. मैंने already अपने next race के लिए register कर दिया है, which will be the AFMC 10 kilometer race. Now this event I will race. So either I will probably put a test, the fastest I can do my 10k. I felt like I left a lot on the table after this race. So my next race is going to be the AFMC 10k. Hogi 7th of August ko. So till then I'll probably stick to my training. Am I doing so many 10k? I don't want to immediately start doing half marathons and gradual increase in the distance. I'll continue my training. मैं इस 10k race के लिए I won't change anything. I'll probably stick to my plan जो अभी तक आ रहा है, which will be 2 speed sessions, 1 long run, and the rest of the week is just a lot of easy training. A lot of you have requested that I should do a little bit of a German speaking bit. Why not? क्यों नहीं? Talk more about strength training. These 2 things I'll talk about, and also recovery. I will